Okay, fellow smokers, here is my setup on my Vision. It's like one of the big eggs. There's the temperature. I'm smoking some ribs. I'm using a real high WH1436A. And I have it set up. I won't read it through the camera, but anyway, it's set up between 220 and 225. And it kicks on this generic heat gun I got from, I think, Harbor Freight for like, I don't know, 20-25 bucks on sale. But this is about the third time I've used it. It works great. Only downside is when you want to clean the grill, you got to take all that tape off. I haven't figured out another way. If you want to pull the tray out, usually I just open the top, pull all the guts out, and then clean it. But he just started kicking off because we hit 226, and now it'll come back down, or it'll stay there for a little while. It doesn't cycle very much because the Vision grill is so efficient. So anyway, that's it. I think the whole deal cost me maybe 50 bucks. Good workaround for buying one of those expensive regulators.